Hi friends, mga friends, good morning. Marian Santos here of Potentials.com, signing at our channel. So we are reading this book. Hindi natin alam kung nire-read natin or na-read na natin before. Anyway, we're reading it again. So yung introduction natin last time, we mentioned that yung difference natin refers to biological differences, parental influence, education, including our birth order, cultural conditioning, media, social media ngayon, diba, and history. So, marami tayong differences. So, they were discussing yung, I think this is still part of the introduction, ba? So, it's chapter 1. Part of chapter 1 is remembering our differences. So, without the awareness that we are supposed to be different, men and women are at odds with each other. So, yun, nagkaka-conflict tayo kasi we do not recognize these differences. Sabi nga natin, biological, parental influence, birth order, including our birth order, whether birth order is we're eldest, middle child, or youngest, diba? So, it affects pa rin yung relationship natin with men, no? So, or with the opposite sex. We usually become angry or frustrated with the opposite sex because we have forgotten this important truth. We expect the opposite sex to be more like ourselves. So, yun daw po kaya tayo at odds or nagkaka-conflict because we expect them to behave like us, which is not the reality. We are different. We desire them to want what we want and feel the way we feel. So, doon tayo na parang we feel na, they can read our minds, they know how to understand our different moves, our different needs, our different wants. So, that's not the reality. We mistakenly assume that if our partners love us, they will react and behave in certain ways that the way we react and behave when we love someone. So, expectation natin, if they know how to listen, they know how to extend appreciation, parang ganun din yung partner natin. So, hindi daw po ganun. So, kaya tayo nafa-frustrate, nag-disappoint. We mistakenly assume our partners will behave like us. So, clearly recognizing and respecting these differences dramatically reduce confusion when dealing with the opposite sex. When you remember that men are from Mars and women are from Venus, everything can be explained. So, yan po yung title ng book natin. Men are from Mars and women are from Venus. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.